Hey and welcome to this video. Now thank you for taking action on getting this awesome squeeze page which works really well. In this video I'm going to show you how to set it up on your own website, how to install it and basically edit it to your own needs and make it look really fancy. So you can see the file here which I've downloaded from somewhere on this page. It should be there, the link should be there. Just download that to your hard drive, anywhere will do. I've downloaded it to a special file folder here called download.zip, which was adequately named, but we can see here squeeze-page-mrr, and I might have changed the file name. It really doesn't matter what it's called, but the same process applies. So what we need to do is literally just double click on it, and if you're on Windows, then Windows has a unzip utility built into it, and also if you're on Mac as well, I think they do as well, but also there's a lot of free alternatives out there if you have a really old computer which doesn't have that stuff. So we just double click on it and then click on extract here. So we just click on extract and OK, and wait for that to do its magic, and it'll be fairly quick because it's a fairly small file size. We go into the folder here and we can see these are the files which we need. Now the MRR license basically means if you want to give this away to your subscribers or your visitors or whatever, that's completely fine. You just need to include this license with it as well, and also leave the package as it is, so you can literally just give away this zip file here to your own customers and start getting subscribers and customers right away, so that's pretty cool. But for your own use, if you want to use this for your own use, which I really recommend, it's a great squeeze page. If we go into the folder here called squeeze page files, we just open that up and we can see there's two HTML files. One's called the index.html, and that is the squeeze page itself, and there's a file here called thankyou.html. Now the thank you obviously is named to show you what it actually is. It's the thank you page for the squeeze page. So in the images folder here, again it's really named really well. It's just two images there for the squeeze page itself, and the thank you, all of the images are hard coded into there, so you don't need any fancy images or anything like that, or to get any linking of the images correct. It's all done for you. So what you need to do now is actually, if you have something like FileZilla, that's completely fine. If you want to do some kind of FTP magic with that, that's completely fine, but I'm going to show you an easy way to do this without having any kind of FTP software. And what we need with that is to go to yourdomain.com, whatever your domain would be. So for this example, let's go to webdesignforinternetmarketers.com. And also /. Now you need to go to yourdomain.com/cPanel. Now that's really that simple. Just go to whatever your domain is /cPanel. It'll redirect to a little page here, and I'll just enter my details in here, and these details will have come with your hosting welcome email. These will be in your welcome email, and most, if not all, hosting accounts have this. So if you don't know these details, then feel free to contact your hosting company. Just send them a quick support ticket if you don't know the details or can't find them, and they'll gladly give these over to you. And inside this little area there's so much cool stuff, and I'll show you exactly how to get the files up in a few seconds once you've entered my details. Okay, so now that's logged in correctly. I've got the right password and everything set up there, and we get to this little panel here. As I said, it may look a bit different depending on your hosting accounts, which hosting provider you're actually with, but the part that we need is actually, if we scroll down just a tiny bit in the files section here, we have a link called the file manager. Now what we need to do is click on there and just go to home directory and click go. And if you have more than one domain, you may have to select which domain name you want to go on, but for me here, let's just scroll down and explore this. So what we need to do first, before we go into anything or upload any kind of files, we need to go into the public_html folder. Now all of the files which get displayed on the internet are inside this folder, and you need to upload all of your files into this folder. So we just literally double click on there, and it'll open that folder for you. And now we can just literally scroll down to one of my domains I'd like to test this with. So let's just go into webdesignforinternetmarketers.com, double click on there again on the folder itself, and wait for it to do its magic. and you'll get something a little like this. And you may not have all of these folders here right now because, as I said, this is a website I'm using right now. So if you want to install the squeeze page on your root domain, and by that I mean yourdomain.com, if you want it to be on your home page, you can just literally drag and drop it using the upload thing, as I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Or if you want it in its own folder like I do right now, I'm just going to create a new folder. So we click on new folder and let's call it testing, create new folder, and we'll scroll down and it's right there. So now we just double click on the folder there to go into it, and this process will be exactly the same for whether it's on the root directory as I just explained. You just need to be in the public HTML folder, or whether it's / and then a folder name. So we just click on upload, and that'll open a new window for you. So now what you want to do is upload the squeeze page files. So what we can do there is click on choose file, and we just scroll around our computer to find where we extracted the files to. So it would be in this folder, and I might blur a few things, obviously it's my own computer. So squeeze page, there we go. Okay, so now we have the three files here, and well, the two files in the one folder here. So we just click on index, and then well, we do that one first. So just click on it once, and then click open. Wait for that to do its magic, and then do it again. And the next folder and the next file here, click on open, and then that says it's complete down the right hand side. And then we need to go into images here. So we need to replicate the way the images are here. So what we can do is go out of this actually. We need to go back to this thing here, and then you'll see the two folders here. Now to get the images to show up here on the squeeze page itself, what we need to do is create a new folder and call it the exact same name as this images folder here. Okay, so now what we need to do is that, as I said, we need to replicate the way this folder is called, images. So what we need to do is create a new folder called images inside this folder here, or whether you've got a root domain, whether you're installing it on your home page, and you need to do this as well. And create new folder, and it will do that for you. It will create that little folder for you. We go inside here, just double click on the folder again, and it'll be empty. So now we just need to upload the other two image files inside this folder here called arrow and warning. We just need to click on upload, and as you can see, it's really easy. It guides you through the entire process. So firstly we need to upload arrow, and then wait for that to do, and choose file again and click on warning, and then that will do that for you. And you can see down the right hand side here that it's complete, and once that's done, just click on this back to whatever the link will say, and that's it. That's everything installed. We've got the images there, and we've got the HTML files there. So now if we take a look, webdesignforinternetmarketers.com/testing, and don't look for it now because it won't be there after I've made this video, and this is the squeeze page. There we go, that's all installed. So now this is ready for you to edit, and I'm going to show you how to edit this page. And also you can insert your opt-in form, and as you can see, it's really fill in the blanks, and you can see this works amazingly. You may think, well, why hasn't it got all these fancy images and stuff like that? And the truth is, it doesn't need fancy images. A squeeze page works really well when it's in this format. And if we go over to testing/thankyou.html, like the file we just uploaded, you can see this is the thank you page, and the video is there as you're watching on this page now, or something similar. And we can scroll down. There's the link which you need to fill in to download the squeeze page template, and some placeholders for some affiliate banners, so you can make money off your thank you page and your new subscribers. So now I'm going to show you how you can edit this stuff. So if we go up one level, so we go back to the index.html and thankyou.html, we can actually edit this right on screen now without having to get any fancy HTML editor. I mean, obviously some of them are a lot easier than others. If you want to buy one, then feel free, but if you want to do it for free, then you can just click on it once to highlight it, and then click on HTML editor and wait for it to load, and then click edit here, and we can actually edit this, as I said, right on screen here. So we wait for it to load, and you get a little built-in HTML editor here, so we can literally just click and change whatever we like on this page. So we need to type a shocking text here about the thing you're offering in exchange for their email address, so just get rid of that, and let's say something like, this is our test for the video. And we can scroll down here a tiny bit just to get to the headline. Watch exactly what we did, how we did this awesome thing, how we let's say made our dog stop barking in 3 easy steps, or whatever you want your headline to be, because the headline is so important. It draws attention into the page, and it really just makes everything convert a lot better and gets people's attention, and obviously gets them to opt into your mailing list. So this new video, ebook or audio, you need to delete whichever one, keep the one that you're actually giving away. So if you're giving away an ebook or the squeeze page or whatever, if you want to give away this squeeze page, then feel free, we can just put that in there. This new squeeze page shows exactly how you can build a list of loyal subscribers, even if you've never done anything like it before, or if you want to change that, that's fine. Even if you've never had a list before, and then delete that, just by using this one easy method we'll be showing you on the very next page, or something like that. Like, there we go. You can see how easy this is, just to click around the screen and then edit whatever you want. And to insert your opt-in form code there, all you need to do is go onto source down the left hand side. You can see it's there. Just click on there and you'll see it highlighted there, and if it isn't highlighted, you can go back to design, highlight the text here so it's easy to find when you click on source, and you'll see it there. We just use a little scroll bar there. We can delete this text here and replace this text with your opt-in form code, which you'll get from Aweber, GetResponse, iContact, Infusionsoft, whatever you're using. Just place your opt-in form code there and then save it, and obviously make any other changes that you'd like to make as well. And you can save it by clicking the little save icon here. Don't forget to save it, obviously it won't save it without you clicking save, so just click on save there and it'll save it for you, and then click the X or the cancel button here. We just click on there and we're back to where we were, and we can do exactly the same thing for thankyou.html and change the things on this page to whatever you want to put on that page. Obviously replace the affiliate banners and everything like that, just basically make it your own. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the new squeeze page, which will get a lot of subscribers for you and basically build a list of loyal raving fans. And also I hope you enjoy the resources I've included on this same page that you're watching this video on now. I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Okay, thanks again, bye bye.